Hello everyone, this is part D and E of the topic alkanes, and in this video we are going to cover physical properties of alkanes and uses of alkanes. Now first of all covering our part D, that is physical properties of alkanes. Since in our course there is only methane and ethane, that is why we are going to cover physical properties for methane and ethane only. But first of all, nature, color and odor of methane and ethane. Methane and ethane both are gases at room temperature and they are colorless as well as odorless in nature. Now covering their solubility, both methane and ethane are almost insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents like acetone, alcohol, ether, etc. This is based on the property that like dissolves like. Since methane and ethane are non-polar compounds, that is why they are soluble in non-polar organic solvents but insoluble in polar solvent, that is water. Now covering melting and boiling point of methane and ethane. Methane and ethane both are gases at room temperature and they have very low melting and boiling point. In case of methane, melting point is minus 182.5 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is minus 161.5 degrees Celsius. In case of ethane, melting point is minus 182.8 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is minus 88.5 degrees Celsius. Now covering fourth physical property of methane and ethane, which is vapor density. Vapor density is the density of a gas in relation to that of hydrogen. It is determined by dividing molecular weight of a particular gas by 2. In case of methane, since molecular weight is 16, so its vapor density will be equal to 8. In case of ethane, since molecular weight is 30, its vapor density will be equal to 15. Now covering uses of methane and ethane. Methane and ethane are used as illuminant and domestic fuel. These are used in the form of natural gas or gobar gas. Since hydrocarbons have high calorific value, they are easily combustible in nature and the reaction is exothermic in nature, releasing a lot of heat energy. That is why hydrocarbons work like excellent fuels. Methane and ethane can also be used in the manufacturing of various chemicals like chloroform, carbon black, formaldehyde, methanol, ethanol, etc. These chemicals are further used for various purposes like chloroform is used as solvent for rubber, waxes and as anesthesia also. Carbon black, it is used as a black pigment in shoe polishes, printers, ink, etc. Formaldehyde, it is used as an antiseptic, as preservative for biological specimens also. Methanol, it is used as solvent for varnishes, as antifreeze for automobiles, etc. Ethanol, it can be used as solvent for resins, as a low freezing liquid in thermometers and in other purposes also. watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel.